Hey guys, I'm going to quickly walk you through the charts of the euro versus the Great Britain pound. As you can see that we have been a very long period of consolidation with hardly any movement, right? We have been in this range of 0.8755 to about 0.9255 for a very long period of time. And with the event done with Brexit done with, isn't it fundamentally or logically possible that the movement of money will once again start moving into the pound, right? So the pound will look optimistic that the fear trade is over with, and as a result of that, I expect a very large move to happen in the Great Britain appreciating versus the euro. And I have a number of reasons for that which I can support it technically. So, A, we have taken this your support on this line and which is a long-term trend line. Okay, if you were to draw another intermediate trend line, which has been the channel since the sideways movement, it is coming in at 88.94 or 89.10 sort of levels, and then you have this 88.65 crucial spot. My gut feel is that if you see the RSI trends, they have been clearly been broken, right? Uh, we've had a uh, we've had a almost equal top. We've had the RSI make a lower low, and the RSI has finally put in an ideal divergence. We've got a trend line cut, right? And this trend has been broken down. So around the 50 levels, we're just below the 50 levels, entering bear market territory. And I believe that now the RSI drift will happen from 65 to 25 on the lower side. So this is the first time that the RSI went uh, came back to touch 65. And if you notice, if you go into the price chart out here, you'll notice that this short-term support which is there, which will be more prevalent on the hourly charts, right? Let's zoom out a bit. So this is what I want to show you. So we have these 1, 2, 3, and 4 support zones, right? Supporting at about 80, 90, 95, and the market has just moved a little shade above that to kind of test that on the upside. Of course, we had this huge 5-minute rally where it took out all the stop losses, end of the year trade. And if we move down further into the uh, 5-hour chart, we have some very interesting things going on, right? If you just zoom and see, notice this thing and just come back down, and there's a closing trade. So all this action has happened at the end of the fag period. So I'm not reading too much into this price trend. Okay, and in my opinion, if we were to just go a little lower onto the hourly chart, if we kind of break this trend line, okay, if we kind of break this trend line, which you can say playing out here, okay, that is going to tell me that you know we are on the verge of a massive breakdown happening. So while we've had a very big run already played out in that direction, this is more of a continuation chart, and this is where the informed buying has been going on. And if we break this red line successfully, the support line, right, then it will clear the way for a bear market and a rolling stone gathers no moss. So long term, bearish on the euro, pound to be bought, and keep playing the fade the rallies as they happen, and keep shorting this because we have a long way to go.